May 16th. Here's what moved. Hy3 preview holds number 1 on OpenRouter. /bin/sh.07 per million tokens. DeepSeek v4 flash in second at /bin/sh.11. Oven sh/bun is trending on GitHub. 448 stars today. Burn downloads up 50% this week. Show HN. Find a best local LLM for your hardware. Qwen3.6 Plus climbed 3 ranks, from 23rd to 20th. OpenAI is connecting ChatGPT to bank accounts via Plaid. Replaced, made with ChatGPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0. New research, EntityBench, towards entity-consistent long-range multi-shot video generation. Ollama on brew. Downloads down 104%. Sourcegraph.cody.ai on vscode. Downloads up 43%. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. Gawk.dev.